Hello viewers, this is Now Too Fast here. In today's video, I'll be upgrading the brake light on this 2016 Honda CRV from the regular incandescent bulb to a much brighter LED light. Now the brake light on this vehicle is the one right here. This is a 7443 bulb and it's a dual filament bulb. It serves as the parking light and the brake light. So let me show you that right now. Right now you're looking at the parking lights. And this is the brake light. Open up the hatch. Now there are two light modules on this vehicle. We'll be removing the bottom one right here. First you'll need to remove these two Phillips screws. You'll need to pull this tail light assembly towards the back and out. At the top, this is the brake light. Turn it. You can remove it. Remove the bulb. Let me first show you the LED light that I'll be using for this install. Here's a brand new 7443 LED light from the company LUYED. Inside the package, there are two LED lights. Here's a closer look at one of these lights. Now this 7443 light has two sets of contacts. This allows you to use it for parking light and brake light. The light output is 6500 Kelvin, so it's a pure white color. It's also non-polarity sensitive, so it doesn't matter which way you plug into the light socket, it'll still light up. Now each of these lights has a total of 78 4014 LED chip, and they're mounted all the way around. If you look at the front, there's a projector lens with LEDs inside. This gives it a 360-degree light output. Let me show you the two different brightness you get with this LED lights. First, I'll connect my power supply to the parking lights. Right now, you're looking at the parking light. Next, I'll connect it to the brake light, and you'll see it's a lot brighter. There's a brake light. Install the new LED lights. Don't forget to reinstall the two flip screws. Repeat the same procedure on the passenger side. Remove this light bulb. Install the new LED lights. With the LED light installed, here's a look at the rear parking lights. Now I'll show you the brake light. I can tell you, looking at these new LED lights, it's a lot brighter than the regular incandescent bulb. Also with the brake light, the turning on and off of the LED has a much quicker response time, unlike a regular incandescent bulb where it has more of a fade in and fade out look. If you want to pick up a set of these LED lights, I'll include the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, remember to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and remember to click on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos. Thank you.